We recommend commencing your analysis of the market with the All Stores list, conveniently located within the top navigation menu. Here you will find comprehensive information about all operators in this market, including size of the facility, ownership and management details, along with access to the store profile with other property information. Within this page, you also have access to supplementary data about these operators, including their operating hours, unit availability, which indicates whether the store has pricing for a specific unit type or not, current unit rates, where you can view rates for standard benchmark sizes or all of the unit sizes offered in the market, along with any other unit attributes, their current advertised rate, and promotion information. You will also see the store's marketing score, which is an aggregated score based on different marketing efforts by the store, like social media presence, SEO, online ads, and more. For added convenience, all of the operator information found within the All Stores list page, including the data found within each tab, like the store details, current rates, and such, can be downloaded into a single Excel file. Simply click on the Excel icon on the right-hand side. Once downloaded, you can easily sort and filter any of the data as you wish.